Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by turning on the built-in narration option so vouchers can carry explanatory text. From Gateway of Tally, press F11 to open features, then choose Accounting Features. Set voucher narration to Yes and save. Once done, make sure you restart the company session so the new flag applies to voucher screens. This unlocks the narration field on voucher entry forms and prepares voucher types to accept descriptive text, which helps with audits and clearer transaction records. Next, you enable narration at the voucher type level so every relevant entry shows the field. Go to Gateway, right arrow Accounts Info, right arrow Voucher Types, right arrow Alter, pick a voucher type, and turn on narration for that type. Once configured, open any voucher and press F12, Configure, to ensure Show Narration is set to Yes. This controls visibility on entry screens. Make sure to repeat for payment, receipt, journal, and any custom voucher types you use so narration appears consistently. Finally, you enter narration directly in the narration field when recording transactions. It saves with the voucher and prints if the report template includes it. To print, open the voucher or ledger report, configure print options, and enable narration in Print Preview. If narration still does not appear, check that the voucher type has narration enabled and that F12 configuration shows narration. Then restart Tally to apply changes. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.